Is this America's craziest water park? Today we are at Mountain Creek, home to insane rides like Zero Z, 99-foot S2O No, and a real canyon cliff jump. We are testing them all to see if this park truly lives up to the action park legacy, and trust me, you are going to want to see the ending. Guys, we are on the way to Mountain Creek Waterpark. So guys, we are at the parking of Mountain Creek Waterpark, and we are at the general parking. So you can prepare the parking, but yes, when you do general parking, you might have to walk a little bit more, maybe around 5 to 7 minutes from the parking lot. And there are multiple parking lots here, and if you come late, there's high chances that upper lot will be packed soon. So also come early so that you can enjoy the ride. So it's time to head inside, buy the tickets, and enjoy the water park. So guys, just for information, the Mountain Creek Water Park will open at 11 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. So if you guys coming on the weekend, make sure to come early and don't bring any extra the outside food.
One rule is do not bring food, or else you'll have to keep it on the bench or throw it out.
For the water park rides. Time to slide, guys. My first stop, Surfield at Mount Creek Water Park. You grab a mat, race your friends down the long lanes, and trust me, it's way faster than it looks. Perfect for a little friendly race before the big rides.
Okay, sorry. I did the first one, huh? Whatever you like.
Next, I'm going straight to S2O No, the nearly vertical water slide. You stand at the top, look down, and it's almost a straight drop. Very fast, intense, and over in just a few seconds. But it will get your heart racing. Right beside the S2O No is the Zero Z, the Trapdoor slide. The floor drops out from under you and you shoot down into two giant loops. It's one of the most intense rides here at Mountain Creek Water Park. If you guys are liking this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Moving on, next is the Vortex, a giant bowl slide. You speed down a tunnel, spin around the bowl, and then drop into the pool. It's fun, fast, and perfect for riders who love spins and splashes.
Wow, it was fun. You love it? So guys, moving on to the next, one of my favorite, and this is Thunderrun. A tube slide. It's a tube slide full of twists, turns and splashes. You can ride alone or with a friend, and every turn feels like a surprise. Whoa! Whoa! Come, Kendall!
This is so fun!
Yeah! You have to come again? Yeah! That's what I was telling you! Whoa! You had fun? Hey guys, please drop the comment if you feel like this is one of the America's greatest and craziest water park. So moving on to the next, the Gauley. Right beside the Thunderrun is the Gauley, a single tube water slide named after a famous river. You fly through sharp turns and quick drops all by yourself. No raft, no group, just you and the slide. Now we are at the famous canyon cliff jump. You climb up high, take a deep breath and jump into deep cool water. It's short but thrilling, one of the most talked about things at Mountain Creek. I hope guys the Mountain Creek Waterpark is giving you the vibes of one of the craziest water park in the USA. Now moving on to the next, the Rock River Slide. This one is long winding tube ride with a mix of slow curves and sudden splashes. It's the kind of slide where you never know if the next turn will be calm or wild. Definitely one of my favorite. Let's move ahead. Next on the list in Mountain Creek Waterpark, high tide wave pool. Here you can play in huge waves or you just enjoy the shallow water. It feels like the beach but surrounded by mountains. Before we wrap things up with the Alpine Mountain Coaster, we are heading over to the Alpine Ross. This high-speed, colorful water slide twists and turns like roller coaster on water, giving you that rush right before our final ride. Good? And now the perfect way to end the day, the Alpine Mountain Coaster. You control your speed as you twist down the mountain with amazing views the whole way. Finally, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which ride you would try first, and if you really think this is the craziest water park in America. Thank you again, guys. You have a good day. Bye bye.